Okay guys, so today I'll be looking at a grade 4 math concept, differentiating between a rectangle and a square. What are the differences? Or is there any difference? So first thing I'll say, what is a rectangle? A rectangle is a four-sided figure, right? That in which the vertices form four right angles. Right? Now a square is also a four-sided figure where the vertices form four right angles. So what is the difference between a rectangle and a square? And is a square a rectangle or is a rectangle a square? So you can see here a Venn diagram and you have rectangle and you see a square is contained within a rectangle. So a square is a rectangle, but the rectangle is not necessarily a square. What differentiates them is that in a square you have four sides and four right angles. In a rectangle you have four sides and four right angles. But the difference is this square is a special form of a rectangle where all the sides are equal. L is equals to B. So L is equals to B. All the sides are equal. Whereas in a rectangle, L is not equal to B. L is not equal to B. So rectangle is everything that complements this. The square is the set here or the subset, and everything outside would be length is not equal to breadth, and they're all rectangles, but a square is a special rectangle where all the sides are equal. So the common properties are they both have four sides and the sides form right angles, but the difference is in a square all the sides are equal, and in a rectangle two sides and opposite sides are equal, but the length is not equal to the breadth. But in a square the length is equals to the breadth. All right, so now knowing this, that a square is a rectangle but a rectangle is not necessarily a square, we will look at the concept of perimeter, which means the distance around something, particularly for a rectangle and a square. Now, having this information here already on the board, the perimeter of a rectangle, right, is L. This is going to be B. This is going to be L. So it's a distance. If we start from here, we go around, right? We have L plus B plus L plus B. So we have what? 2L plus 2B, which gives us what is common here. If you factorize this, here is 2 and here is 2. So you have 2 into L plus B. So that's the perimeter of a rectangle. Now the perimeter of a square will be 2 into L plus L, because B is equals to L. So this will give us 2 into 2L equal 4L. So I'll write that in a clearer format here. So the perimeter of a square is 4L and the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Right? Let's put it. So rectangle 10 cm, 5 cm. This is a rectangle. And square, let's say this is 10 cm, 10 cm square. the perimeter of the rectangle will be 2 into L plus B equal 2 into 10 cm plus 5 cm equal 2 into 15 cm equal 30 cm. Agree? Now the perimeter of the square, sorry about that, it's a bit better, is 4L, 4 times 10 cm, 40 cm. Okay, so in this video we looked at what are the differences between a square and a rectangle. We know that a square is a rectangle. A rectangle is not necessarily a square. Both rectangle and squares, or you can say rectangles, all have 4 sides and they make 490-degree angles. And the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the length plus the breadth, and the perimeter of a square is 4 times the length. And we'll stop here for this video.